About this item: excellent transmission. Benfei Mini DisplayPort to DVI 3 feet cable utilizes better chip solution and professional multiple shielding for instantaneous and accurate data streaming. Not Thunderbolt 3 compatible. Superior stability. 24K gold-plated pure copper connectors guarantee stable transmission so as to provide superb quality audio and video. AV. Universal compatibility. Compatible with Apple MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro 4, Pro 3, Pro 2, Surface ABook, not Surface for Windows RT, ThinkPad X1 Carbon, X230/X240S, L540, T540P, W540, Helix, Dell XPS 13/14/15/17, Latitude E7240/E7440, Precision M3800, Alienware 14/17/18. Acer Aspire R7/S7/V5/V7, Intel NUC, Asus ZenBook, HP Envy 14/17, Google Chromebook Pixel, CyberPower ZeusBook Edge X6, Toshiba Satellite Pro S500, Tecra M11/A11. Incredible durability, 15,000 plus bend lifespan, provides you with a heavy-duty mini DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 2 compatible, to DVI adapter. Ideal for Apple MacBook Air, Apple MacBook Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro, iMac, Surface Book, Surface Studio,